Good day, everyone. Today, I'll share what I have learned about transportation management in tourism and why it's essential. But first, let me introduce myself first. I am Lovely Angela Amatienza and I'm from BSM 2D. Transportation connects travelers to destinations, making tourism possible and enjoyable. Tourism relies on different types of transportation. There are three types: air travel, land transport, and water transport. So, air travel allows long distance and international tourism, while land transportation like buses, trains, and ride sharing ensures smooth local travel. And lastly, water transport like ferries, cruises, supports island and river tourism. Sustainability is now a key focus. Green initiatives like electric buses and sustainable aviation fuels help reduce tourism's environmental impact. Technology also plays a role. Online booking, GPS navigation, and AI-driven transport make travel more efficient and convenient. However, challenges exist. Congestion, high costs, and disruptions like weather or strikes can affect travel plans. That's why effective transportation management is crucial for ensuring smooth and enjoyable travel experiences. So, in conclusion, transportation is the backbone of tourism. Managing it efficiently improves accessibility, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. As tourism evolves, so must, so must transportation strategies as well. That's all. Thank you.